So what I'm going to show you is the 8 basic shapes in Wing Tsun. These are some very easy shapes that you can learn outside of class. You can just memorize them, do them as a drill. It's something you can do at home. It's very easy. It's even simpler than just doing the forms. All of these shapes are in the forms, so they all perfectly overlap. Okay. So just for training purposes, if you take your iris, so that's your toes in, your heels out, don't worry too much about it. Hips facing forwards, double park, double turn, jump, bong, cow, gum, guat, lao. Park sao, turn sao, jump, bong, cow, gum, guat, and lao. So you can do it double-handed or single-handed. Everyone learns a little bit differently. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Or if you do it one-handed. Eight, so I'll just repeat on the other side. And 8. And then if you want to make it a bit harder, you can start shifting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. So this one goes to the shoulder, to the other shoulder, elbow sinks in the middle and the wrist faces forwards. To the shoulder, pull the shoulder blades back, center line, sweep to outside line,